Okay. So the center, we found the center and radius is already given. The center coordinates of the center 2 comma 3, 2 comma 3. 2 was because it was tangent to the circle was tangent to the y-axis. Therefore, and the radius was 2. So therefore the x coordinate of the center is true, because radius always be perpendicular to the tangent. Radius always be perpendicular to the tangent. So it is 2 comma 3. So 2 is the x coordinate of the center. We put the value of x coordinate in the given equation. 2y is equal to 3x. Put the value of x is 2. So the value of y will become 3. So therefore the x coordinate is 2 and the y coordinate is 3 of the center. And radius is already given 2. So use these two information, the center and the radius. We will find the equation x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square will be equal to the radius is 2, 2 square. Solve it, simplify it, you will get the equation. You will simplify this one, you will get the equation. So, so up to question number 10, we determine the equation. We determine the equation of the circle. Now the equations are given. Yes, Subedullah. Now equations are given. Equations are given. We will find the center and the radius. Equations are given. We will find the center and radius. Question number 11. X square plus y square minus 2x minus 2y minus 2 equal to 0. In exercise 11 to 24, write each equation in standard form and determine the center and radius. So we will find the standard form. That means x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2hy plus c equal to 0 in this form. So that means x square and y square have the coefficient 1. So this is already in question number 11. Question number 11. X square plus y square minus 2x minus 2y minus 2 equal to 0. First we have to write the equation in standard form. That means equal to 0, number 1. If there is some constant, we have to shift on the other side. It should be equal to 0. And the second thing, the coefficient of x square and y square should be 1. If they have some number other than 1, for example, there are 2. So we have to divide the whole equation by 2. So first of all, we will change into the standard form. This is already in standard form. So we'll find the center, coordinate of the center. How to find? The coefficient of x will be divided by -2. The coefficient of y will also be divided by -2. This is -2, it is divided by -2, it is -2. Whatever be the coefficient, we have to divide by -2. Whatever be the coefficient of x or y, we have to divide by -2 to get the center. So it will become 1, 1. This is the center. Now we will find the radius. Radius is equal to whole under root the square of the coefficient of x and y of the center. 1 square plus 1 square minus c. This is -2. It will become +2. Minus c. So minus and -2 will become +2. So the answer is under root 4, that is equal to 2. So radius is 2 and center is 1, 1. Center is 1, 1 and radius is 2. By this method we will find the center and the radius. Now we'll do question number 23. 4x square plus 4y square plus 12x plus 16y plus 5 equal to 0. Question number 23. The remaining questions are the same type. Question number 23. 4x square plus 4y square plus 12x plus 16y plus 5 equal to 0. This is not in standard form. So first of all, we will divide by 4 because the coefficient of x square and y square should be equal to 1. Fahad Shafiq 64315. Fahad Shafiq 64315. Hassan Salman 62907. Okay. So this is the equation. First of all, we divide by 4. When we divide by 4, it will become x square plus y square plus 3x plus 4y plus 5 upon 4 equal to 0 upon 4 will be 0. So first of all, we will divide it by 4. Now it is in the standard form. It should be equal to 0, number 1. Number 2, the coefficient of x square and y square should be equal to 1. The coefficient of x square, y should be equal to 1. If these two conditions are fulfilled, that means this is the standard equation of circle. Now we will find the center. The coordinates of the center, the coefficient of x, 3, will be divided by -2. The coefficient of y, 4y, 4, will be divided by -2. It will become -3 upon 2, comma -2. These are the coordinates of the center. So first of all, we divided by 4 to change into the standard form. Now when we divide it by 4, it will become x square plus y square plus 3x plus 4y plus 5 upon 4 equal to 0. Now we find the center. The coefficient of x is divided by -2, comma coefficient of y is divided by -2. The answer is -3 upon 2 and -2. Daniel Humayun Mirza 64169. Mirza. Okay, now we'll find the radius. Radius is equal to under root the square of the x coordinate of the center plus the square of the y coordinate of the center minus c. This is -3 upon 2 whole square plus -2 whole square and minus the coordinate of c, 5, the c, 5 upon 4. So -5 upon 4. It will become 9 upon 4 plus 4 minus 5 upon 4. LCM 4, 9 plus 16 minus 5. 25 minus 5 will be 20. Under root 20 upon 4. Under root 5. Under root 5 is the radius and the coordinate of the center are -3 upon 2 comma -2 and the radius is under root 5. Radius is under root 5. This is the way how to find the radius and the center when the equation is given. Now after that, question number 25 to 30, determine which is a point circle and which is an imaginary circle. Which is a point circle and which is an imaginary circle. If r is equal to 0, if r is equal to 0, it will be a point circle. If r is equal to 0, it will be a point circle. If r is under root the negative number, if r is an imaginary number, then it will be, if r is an imaginary number, it will be an imaginary circle. Daniel Humayun Mirza, 64169. Question number 25. We have to find whether it is a, which of them is a point circle and which of them are imaginary circle. If radius is imaginary, it will be an imaginary circle. If radius is 0, it will be a point circle. So that depends upon the radius, and radius depend upon the value of c and the x and y coordinate of center. Question number 25. Four x square plus 4y square minus 20x minus 4y. Minus 20x minus 4y plus 26 equal to 0. First of all, we will change into the standard form. How to change in the standard form? We will divide by 4. It will become x square plus y square minus 5x minus y plus 13 over 2 equal to 0. 0 is also divided by 4, so it will be 0. Now we'll find the coordinate of center. Coordinates of center. Minus 5 divided by minus 2 minus 1 divided by minus 2. It will become 5 upon 2 and 1 upon 2. These are the coordinates of the center. Now we'll find radius. Radius will be equal to square of 5 upon 2 plus the square of y coordinate 1 upon 2 minus g minus c. C is 13 upon 2. This is plus, so it will become, this is minus plus minus minus 13 upon 2. Simplify. 25 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4 minus 13 upon 2 whole under root LCM 4. 25 plus 1 minus 4 2s are 2, 2 into this is 26, 25 plus 1, 26 minus 26 will be 0. 0 upon 4 is equal to 0. So this is a point circle. When R is 0, the no radius, it is a point circle. Question number 25 is a point circle. Question number 26. Understood this one? When R is 0, it is a point circle. If R is 0, it is a point circle. If R is imaginary number, it is an imaginary circle. If R is an imaginary number, it is an imaginary circle. Question number 26. So here R is 0, therefore this is a point circle. Question number 26. X square plus y square plus 4x minus 2y plus 7. Standard form means, first of all, we will shift the constant from the right side to the left side. Constant from the left side to right side to the left side. First step, and the second step, we will, the coefficient of x square y square should be equal to 1. If it is not 1, we have to divide by the number so that the coefficient of x square and y square should be equal to 1. So these two steps are to be taken so that it will become a standard form. Muhammad Salman Khan 64094. Okay. So this is already in standard form. So first of all, we'll find C's coordinate of the center. The coefficient of x 4 divided by minus 2. Coefficient of y minus 2 divided by minus 2. It will become minus 2 and 1. So these are the centers. Now radius under root minus 2 square plus 1 square minus c. C is plus 7. Plus 7 into minus will be minus 7. It will become 4 plus 1 minus 7. The answer is under root minus 2. So this is an imaginary number. R is under root minus 2. When in the under root is minus number, that is an imaginary number. So this is imaginary number. Therefore, it is an imaginary circle. It is an imaginary circle. Now we'll do, so 25 was the point circle and 26 was the imaginary circle. Now question number, we will do question number. Question number 30. X square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y plus 13 equal to 0. Question number 30. X square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y plus 13. First of all, we'll find C. C minus 6 upon minus 2, 4 upon minus 2. The center will become 3 comma minus 2. Muhammad Usman, Sayyid 63626. Okay, now we'll find the radius. 3 square plus minus 2 square minus C 13. So minus 13. It will become 9 plus 4 minus 13 equal to 0. Therefore, under root 0 means 0. Therefore, circle is a point circle. Circle is a point circle. Now the next question 31. A washer has inner radius 2 centimeter and the outer radius 3.4 centimeter. Find the equations of the two circles using the center of the washer at the origin. So in both the cases, we will have to find the two circle. Center is origin. For the first circle and radius is 2. And the second circle, center is origin and the radius is 3.4. So you have to find the two different circles by taking two different radius. Center will be the same, 0, 0. Question number 32. Find the equation of the balancing hole in figure 19.34. So that is the balancing hole. So this is a bit difficult question. So we are not doing this one. So in the next, only the 1.5 minute is left. So in the next class, in the next session, we will do the parabola. We will do the parabola. So this is Usman came. Muhammad Ammar 64078. Okay, so these students are not present. Muhammad Samir Khan, and Rafe